Hi guys, my name is Kat, and today I'm going to do an unboxing for the Japan crate. But this is a special Japan crate. It's called the Lucky Japan crate, and this was a limited thing, so by the time this video is up, I don't think they'll have any more for sale. So this is special because, I don't know if anyone's heard of it, but like how in Japan they have like lucky bags to celebrate the new year. So Japan crate wanted to do something like that where you it's just a mystery, like, so there's, sorry, I'm not good at explaining things. So, basically, there's, like, regular candies that a lot of the packs will come with, and then there's, like, special candies. And then you could also win special Kit Kats, DIY kits, toys, and plushies. Or, like, even special prizes, like, some of the prizes you could win are DVDs, a Totoro bed, a 3DS. I really want the Totoro bed, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. So, hopefully I get something cool. Oh, and I also they gave me a coupon for $7 off one of the monthly crates. So that's cool. Alright. Lots of stuff in here. They give this little chart to tell you which ones are special items and which ones are just regular items. I guess if they're bonus candies, they're more rare or something. So the first thing I see are these little, they look like jelly beans. Let's see if I could find that on the chart. Ah, they're called Toyful Soda. This one's just a regular candy. They come in 4 flavors: cola, ramune, lemon squash, and cider. Lemon squash? That's interesting. Okay. I have to try that. Let's find out what lemon squash tastes like. Okay, I'll try to get one of each color. So they're really, I like subtle pastel colors like this, so these are cute. So first I'll try the cola one, because I'm not a huge fan of cola. I'm probably not going to like this. Ooh. I really like the texture of these. They're different than regular jelly beans. They're more like gummy bear texture. They're like they're like more chewy rather than like the soft chew of a jelly bean. Alright, let's see. The white one is probably, oh wait, no. The blue one is probably ramune, right? Yeah. I love ramune. It's such a strange flavor. It's like bubblegum, lemon, I don't know. I think you have to like taste it to really understand. Okay, so the white one must be cider. That one's good. I like that one the best so far. I love anything apple-y. So this one must be the lemon squash. That's weird. I don't like squash. I hope it doesn't taste really squashy. I don't know what that tastes like. I can taste the lemon. That's interesting. It's not bad. I thought it was going to be scary. It kind of just tastes like lemon. So, yeah, these are pretty good. I'm not really a fan of like Jelly Belly jelly beans. I'm not a fan of the texture. It's not my thing. I'm really picky about chewy candies. These are really good. I actually like these. So the next thing I see is a drink. Let's see, this is called, which one is this? Oh, Sangria Melon Soda. Delicious and creamy soda with a nice melon flavor. Melon might be your new favorite soda flavor. I don't like melon. If you've seen my videos before, you know I'm a very, very picky person. Not a fan of melon. I'll still try it. I don't want to open it right now just because I don't want to drink the whole thing and I don't want to waste it. And I see there's 2 sodas in here. Maybe I'll open one of them and save the other one for later. I don't know. I don't want to waste it because I can't really reclose these. And if I open them and take a sip and then put it in the fridge, the fizzy's going to go away. And so yeah, here's the second soda that I saw. This one looks like just orange soda. Yeah, Byerly's Orange. Orange drink originated in California, but it was discontinued and is now only available in Japan. Oh, that's interesting. So this used to be from California in the 1920s, but then they just stopped making it, and now it's only in Japan. So I'm not a huge fan of soda actually, but orange is a flavor that I like. And knowing Japan, it's probably not going to be like super cloyingly sweet orange. It's probably going to be more natural tasting. So what is next? What is this? This looks like a candied beer. If anyone's ever seen Emmy made in Japan, I've seen her make a lot of different candy beers. I don't know if she's made this specific one. It's called Bad Kid Beer. Not actually beer, but a magic powder that creates a creamy grape soda when mixed with water. Oh, it's grape flavored. That's good, because I don't want it to be beer flavored. I'm not a fan of beer, but I am a fan of grape. I'll have to make another video making this, because I think this deserves its own video. Maybe I'll make another video for the sodas or something. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. Sweet corn flavored Pretz. Enjoy the taste of summer with these Pretz. They taste like buttered, salted sweet corn you'd enjoy at a barbecue. So this is something that's very Japanese. I don't know what other countries have corn flavored things, but in America you wouldn't typically find something corn flavored, and if you did, it would be like novelty. When I was little, I loved corn on the cob. It was like one of my favorite things to eat. Not so much anymore. I don't like corn. I might get some mean comments, but I don't like corn. It doesn't do it for me. However, corn flavored things might be another story. So I will give it a shot. Alright, I know this has a little pull here tab, but the pull here tab like broke. How do I open you now that the tab broke? Okay, oh, I totally forgot to say how rare stuff was. Okay. The soda, both of the sodas were bonus candies. And the beer thing was one of the regular candies. And these Pretzels are another one of the regular ones. So far, I haven't gotten any of the lucky, like, special prizes. So Pretz is pretty much Pocky, only without the chocolate. It's like, a savory snack. That's weird. Wow, that really tastes like corn. I like it though. That's actually really good. I would definitely buy that again if I could. Let's see. Next I see, what is this? What is this? Oh, Chunosuke. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong. Chunosuke Red. Red apple, a sour apple flavored juice that leaves a crisp apple aftertaste. So I will open this since I could reseal it. Oh, and this one came in 3 different flavors: blue, red, and yellow. But I got the red one, which is good because I would not have liked lemon. I can't open this. Okay. Interesting. Wait, do I have to shake it or squeeze it or anything? See, that's what's so great about Japanese things, is they're not usually overly sweet. I thought this was going to be like cloyingly sweet because it's literally just high fructose corn syrup and citric acid and apple. But this is actually really subtle and really good. Oh, and surprisingly, there's not that much sugar, 16 grams of sugar. It's not great for you, there's no like vitamins or anything, but not bad. This would be a really fun drink, I'd imagine, for kids, because you get to drink it out of a cool pouch, and there's a cool character that I'm sure Japanese kids recognize. But it's not overly sweet and filled with sugar, which I'm sure the parents appreciate. Oh, that one was one of the bonus candies. What is this? Just from looking at the package, it looks like they're like probably chewy soda candies. Let's see. Mystery soda balls. Similar to Skittles, but with a better taste. Dang, that's a burn on Skittles. Sorry, Skittles. Cider, grape, melon, lemon squash, and kelpis. What is a kelpis? It sounds like I'm saying cow piss. What is a kelpis? Calpis. Someone please tell me what that is. Alright, well, I don't know how I'm gonna figure out which one is which, since I don't read Japanese. I wish I did. I really want to learn Japanese. It's on my bucket list, or my to-do list, but I don't have time for that in my life right now, you know? Alright. Lemon is, this one's probably the lemonade, because it's yellow. Oh, I don't really want to try all of these, because there's, alright, I'll try a couple of them. I like how they make you feel like it's soda, even though it's not actually fizzy. I don't know how they do that. How do they make things seem like soda when they're not fizzy? Like, there's no fizz to this. But it doesn't feel like normal lemonade. It feels like soda. That wasn't very lemony, which I appreciate, because I'm not a huge fan of lemon. Wait, what does this mean? I don't know what that means on the back. Am I supposed to, like, mix them? Is there, like, a mystery one? What does that mean? Oh, okay. I'll try 2 more. Alright, brown. So this one probably isn't pink lemonade. It's probably not grape or melon. Excuse me. And it's probably not lemon squash. Lemon squash again? What is that? I've never heard of that as a flavor before. Is that like common in Japan? So this is probably cider or kelpis. I don't know what kelpis is. I hope it's not gross. That is cider. That is good. That's really good. I like the texture of these two. Alright, I'll do one more. I'll do one that I definitely know. I could be getting these, I have a feeling I'm getting these flavors wrong, and someone's going to be in the comments like, no, that wasn't cider, that was the kelpis. That wasn't the lemonade, that was the lemon squash. Oh, that was the lemon squash. No wonder, because the lemonade one is actually pink lemonade, so the pink one is pink lemonade. So the yellow one was lemon squash. Maybe that brown one was kelpis. I have no idea. I'm not good at this. It's a good thing I'm not like a professional like food taster or something, because I would fail. This one is one that is definitely grape. Hopefully. Oh, there's blue on the inside. I don't know what that means. Oh, they're all different colors on the inside. So it's like a mix and match. So that one was ramune and grape. These candies confuse the crap out of me. And they confuse my palate. Because there's just so many things, so many flavors going on. Okay. Looks like there are 2 more items. No, 3 more items. This, what is this? Oh, this is fortune gum. I'm not going to eat this yet because I don't want to just chew a piece of gum and then spit it out. I'll do that last. Oh, more fortune gum. Okay. I got 2 things of fortune gum. Is there a difference? Oh, by the way, these are just regular candies. I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get any of those omaibos. I love those. They had all the cool flavors. They had the cheese, they had the tonkatsu. What? I love omaibos. They had veggie salad flavor. I've never had that one. Oh well. Anyways, the last item before the gum is this. What is this? Oh, glyco caramel. Caramel. Whatever. Caramel. I say caramel. These fun heart-shaped caramel treats come with a surprise wooden toy. Oh boy. I bet this is great for kids. I wonder what kind of caramel this is gonna... Caramel. Okay. can't keep saying this word because it's just gonna mess me up. I don't know now if I say caramel or caramel. Okay, anyways, I'm not a huge fan of caramels if they're chewy, just because I don't like things getting caught in my teeth. I do like the flavor though. It looks like these are a hard candy. Wait, no. They start hard and they get soft. That's what she said. Sorry. They taste really different from American caramels. They're really good. I'm sad there's only 4 in the box. I'm so sorry I'm talking with my mouth full. This is gonna take me a while to chew. I'm gonna have to edit this part out. Okay, now let's see what this toy is. There's a bunch of different options that I could get. I hope I get the cat. I want the cat. I don't think it's the cat. What am I gonna do with this? I'll just put it on a shelf somewhere. Oh no, they didn't tell me I would have to build things. What the fuck? How do I... This is for children and I can't figure out how to put it together. What is it? Doesn't even stick. Yeah. Well. Yep. I'm sure kids love this. Maybe I'll give it to like one of my baby cousins. Not doing it for me. I mean, I'm a child at heart, don't get me wrong. I still have stuffed animals. And I love candy and like cartoons, but that's not a good toy. But honestly, how often are the toys good when they come in like boxes of cereal or like candies or stuff like that? I'll give it to my little cousin. I'm sure he'll like it. So, that looks like that's all there is. We didn't win the Totoro bed. Let's try this gum. I don't speak Japanese, so I don't know what flavor you are. Oh, the whole point of these is you're supposed to pull the stick inside, and then you get, like, a fortune. I don't read Japanese, so I don't know. I'm not gonna know what my fortune is. How do I open you? Packaging on packaging, jeez. Okay, so after you take off the paper of the monkey, there's like all this going on. Really, really very detailed packaging on this. It's like every side except the bottom is covered. Japan gets really into their packaging. I appreciate that. I have no idea how to open this. There's like perforations towards the bottom, and there's perforations at the top, and I want to know what these chickens mean. What does that mean? Oh man, it's times like this where I really, really need to learn how to read Japanese. I'm gonna save these packages and just like try to find someone that speaks Japanese and have them tell me. Alright, I really don't know how to open this. I bet there's like 4 different pull tabs. Alright, I'm just gonna pull the first tab. What do the other tabs do? Oh, okay, and inside the tab is this little spermy. I don't know what it looks like a sperm. Oh, maybe it's a tadpole. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if any kids are watching this. So now I get this. How do I get the fortune? Okay. I used to have little fortune-telling sticks that I got when I was in China, but the fortunes were in English and Chinese, so I could actually read them. Please, please, someone in the comments tell me what this says. I really, really want to know what my fortune is, right? Japanese gum has such a smooth texture. So different from American gum. Tastes like ramen. I think this is meant to be ramen flavor. Is it cola? It's either cola or ramen. I know those are two very different flavors, but I'm stupid. Okay. Let's open the second one. Different packaging. Oh, that looks like Appa from Avatar. Not Blue Avatar. At Last Airbender Avatar. Looks like Appa. Okay. So like the other package. Very detailed on all sides. Okay, so hopefully this one's a different flavor. Okay, so I see a little cow. And I do know the Japanese word for cow. It's ushi. I really hope I'm right and that's not wrong, because if I'm wrong, sorry. But I think it's ushi. And yeah, I don't know what this means. Look, and there's a little sad umbrella. What does that mean? Why is the umbrella sad? I don't understand this candy. What? Alright. Someone tell me my fortune, please. I really want to know what it says. Just pause the video. Comment what it says. Please. Okay, let's try this one. It's literally the exact same flavor. Oh well. Wait. What does this mean? Why does this one have like hearts and like a pencil, and this one has smiley faces? And the smiley face is max. Does this one like maximum happiness? And this one's like maximum love? Man, I need to learn Japanese. Alright. Oh wait. I want to open the second pull tab on this one. And see what it is. Friend? Okay, so wait. This one has a sperm and a friend. I don't know, man. I don't understand Japan sometimes. I don't. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Kind of disappointed that I didn't get any of the special Kit Kats or those crazy kits. I love the crazy kits. The Pop and Cookin' Kitchens. I really, really would have liked like a Pikachu or like a Pusheen or like a Totoro bed. I mean, even a 3DS, man. That would be awesome. Oh well. I'm not disappointed. This wasn't that expensive. I'll have to save this for another video. So, keep on the lookout for that. Now you have a reason to subscribe to me, right? Unless you hated this video. Unless you left 2 minutes into the video and aren't even watching this. That's probably what happened, right? I'm pretty sure everybody watches my videos for like 2 minutes and then they get bored and tap out. So I bet no one is even seeing this. Comment if you're actually seeing this part of the video, because I bet no one is. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned if you want to see the follow-up video of the candy bear. Check out some of my other stuff. I do a lot of unboxings with my puppy Felicia. I think she showed her face in the video at some point. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day, or night, or whatever time it is where you are. Bye!